A sealed class cannot be extended. No other classes are allowed to derive from a sealed class. So we use sealed classes whenever it just really doesn't make sense, either from an application design perspective or a security perspective, to allow other classes to derive and otherwise manipulate or add to or extend the classes that you've created. We use the sealed keyword in the class declaration to identify the fact that this is a sealed class. Now, technically, many of the already existing classes in the .NET framework are sealed. Classes such as the string class, the stream builder class, and the console class are three examples of classes that we've already used that represent sealed classes. You cannot create your own classes that extend from those. Sealed classes can also provide some runtime optimizations, basically by not exposing resources that are not going to be used. For example, let's say that you have created a class which derives from another class. Your class, therefore, may have some virtual methods that it has inherited from its parent class. If you don't want to allow any additional subclassing from the class that you've created, and you want to make this as efficient as possible, you can mark this as a sealed class. What's nice is if you use a sealed class, then that means that the runtime doesn't have to monitor those virtual methods. It doesn't have to make those available for overwriting when it's actually publishing those interfaces and references within the class loader. So it actually can be more efficient when you're physically executing those classes if they are sealed. Now, creating a sealed class is pretty simple. All we have to do is add the sealed keyword in the class definition. So if I had a class called myClass and I wanted to mark this as a sealed class, simply use the sealed keyword before the class identifier.